We go here, next video, settings, under settings, we'll go into accounts. So under accounts, we're going to go to account status. Now here, account status, Instagram says it shows you what is happening to your account, right? So avoid losing access to your account in the future. Your content has been removed for going against guidelines. Avoid losing access to your account and the permanent removal of your posts, followers, messages, and archive by following our community guidelines, right? So Instagram flagged this video. I think it was wrong. I didn't appeal though, but I think it was wrong for them to flag it. But I didn't appeal, but this is what happened. So it's good to regularly look at your account status. It lets you know what's happening to the account. It lets you know if you have account issues that you need to deal with, appeal, or take care of before Instagram, takes your account down. So sometimes when you have lots of issues, maybe you've been posting things that are against the community, they'll tell you here. If also there are you've done like several times, as in you've gone against the community rules several times, right? If they have enough evidence, they can, because of all the things that you've been doing and the several warnings they've given you, they can just take the whole account down. All right, so you want to be careful, about what's happening. But this is it. All right, so here account status lets you know what's happening in your account. Okay, so another thing that I like here is this caption. You see this caption now, so it automatically generates captions when you watch a video. So sometimes you can watch a video without the sound. All right, so but with this automatic caption generation, so you can switch it on or switch it off. So it's on now, you can switch off or switch on. So it's something I like using. It's always on for me. All right, it's always on for me. So it's something I always advise people to use too. All right, so you can actually know what's happening in the video, without actually using sound. Okay, so it's good. Now, but the problem really is if you just read it, sometimes, the words will not be correct, because they might not understand the way, your own intonation or your language barriers to speaking that particular language. All right, so they'll interpret it how they think it should be. And remember, it's AI. All right, it's artificial intelligence. It's not that there's anybody. So the machine is just doing its best to interpret. So there could be errors. All right, so be ready for that. All right. So another cool thing that I like is this sensitive content control. Fantastic stuff, right? So under sensitive content control, this setting can help you control the amount of photos and videos that you find upsetting or offensive on your explore page. All right, it does not control what you see in direct images, reels, stories, feeds, and account recommendations. Account recommendations will be based on accounts you're already interacting with, based on content you have interacted with, based on accounts that you're already following. So they will recommend, accounts to you. All right, on your feed, that's people you are following or people you've interacted with. There's this new one that Instagram is doing now. If you've interacted with a particular post, even if you're not following the people, you've interacted with that post, you can also see that post in your feed. Okay, so you just notice it will just tell you in your feed. Normally, this was only available in your explore page, right? But it's now available in your feed. Instagram just says because you have interacted with a similar post, they're showing you this one. All right. The beauty of that is you see it in explore, now you see it in your feed. I think it's interesting. Okay, so you can actually, enjoy that content, like it or not like it, follow the person or not follow the person, but you get to see it in your feed. All right. Now, things in your stories still based on people you follow, reels based on people you follow or reels that you already interact with, and because they are currently pushing reels, all right, so they can't really control sensitive content for reels too because they're pushing, right? Direct messages, people send it to you, all right, but in your normal explore page, you can control sensitivity of content. So, so for me, I set mine to allow. So, whatever content they want to show me is fine. Let them just show it to me. All right. But you can limit it. So there's this default setting, since when Instagram established this feature. The default setting has been to limit. So for me, I allow. So I might see photos or videos that could be upsetting and offensive, and I don't mind. Okay, for some people, they prefer to limit it. So they limit the kind of upsetting or offensive things that they see. Now you can limit even further. All right. So it's like a 3-grade kind of thing. So grade 1 is you allow. Grade 2, intermediate, you limit some. Grade 3 is some serious limiting. All right. So you see fewer upsetting stuff. Right. That's for people that want to do it. So you can choose anyone you like. All right. Just choose anyone you like and click OK. For me, I am fine with allowing sensitive content. All right. So allow it, please. All right, now we'll go down. Now under this sharing to other apps, this is where I sometimes try to explain a few things to people, right? When you say, oh, I'm posting on Instagram but it's going to my personal page, this is where you need to come. All right, so you need to come to sharing to other apps and set the page that you want. So just choose, set the page that you want. All right, so you click there, it appears like this. So automatically share your Instagram story, your post to this account. So you can choose the account. So it will show you your personal account. It will show you all the business pages that you're an admin of. So choose which one. If you want your personal account, you pick it. You want the business pages you're an admin of, you pick it. All right, so whichever one you want, you pick. All right, you want to share to WhatsApp, Twitter, all those other accounts, you pick them. Just enter the logins and that will open. All right, that one is good. Now there's another one I want to show you. Hold on, let me see if it's here. No, it's not here. So we'll go back and we go to privacy. Yes. Is it under privacy? No, it's not under privacy. We go to accounts again. Oh yes, it's under mobile data use. Okay, this one is really, really cool. Under mobile data use. You're going to love this one. So, if you use mobile data, right? You use mobile data and you want to save data while on Instagram, you can come here. Just click settings. Under settings, come to accounts. Under accounts, come to mobile data use. Under mobile data settings, you click data saver. Now, when you click data saver, you will save on data. Videos will not play automatically. So when you get to a video, the video will just be still. All right. The videos will not play automatically. All right. Now, if you want high resolution media, meaning you want to post on Instagram and you want it to be really clear, you want good quality post. So you have created, an image and the quality is good, right? But your data saver is clicked. So when you post, it might not be so good, right? So what you need to do is you need to set your data saver, right, through mobile and Wi-Fi. That is if you're using mobile. So mobile and Wi-Fi, so that anytime you post it, right, if it's mobile, all right, if you're using mobile data, it will be very clear. When you go to Wi-Fi, it will still maintain, very clear. So mine is at Wi-Fi only. All right. So I use Wi-Fi most of the time. So Wi-Fi is, just okay. Right. So I use Wi-Fi most of the time. But, if you use mobile, you have to come here and you click this mobile plus Wi-Fi so that your pictures will be clearer when you post it. Right. So this is just what I wanted to call out today. So you guys learn a few things about how to use the Instagram settings. All right, so cool. So any questions, just let me know. Thanks for listening. Remember to like, comment, and share. All right. Thank you guys for being here.